नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्रसुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। To get rid of the restlessness of mind and gain control over the emotions is the major need for a youthful mind. In this video, this boy is trying to recall the lesson but he is not able. At that time, so many thoughts are coming to his mind and he is in the other world. 60,000 thoughts come to our mind every day. We think about some beautiful memory, craving for bike. Our emotional attachment makes our mind more restless. When we sit, most of the time we start chatter with ourselves. We do mapping with different objects, which makes our mind restless. To develop our focusing power, we have to observe the current moment. By developing this observing power, we have to keep our mind with our body and we can enjoy every moment of life. We have to stop chatter with ourselves. We have to only observe. Through yoga and meditation, one can lead a qualitative life. Some people having blessed mind, they have balanced EQ and IQ power. Some people having concentrated mind, they can easily memorize everything. God has given equal type of memory to everyone. We can convert a monkey mind to a blessed and concentrated mind through practicing of yoga and meditation. Yoga means union or addition. Tapah swadhyaya ishwara pranidhani iti kriya yoga. Namaskar Mudra reduces stress and anxiety. Tadasana, one of the best yoga poses to increase height. It improves the function of the respiratory and digestive system. Padahastasana makes the body very flexible. It stretches the back and leg muscles. It helps to eliminate excess belly fat. It makes the spine flexible and tone the nerves. It improves the digestion. Vajrasana, it helps better blood circulation and digestion, cures joint pain and urinary problem. Ustrasana, lean backward, slowly reaching for the right heel with the right hand, then the left heel with the left hand. The weight of the body should be evenly supported by the arms and legs. Then raise forward. It improves the respiration. It is helpful for the people suffering from asthma. Yoga Mudra. Exhaling in 3 seconds, bend forward, arching the spine to reach the forehead to the ground. Raise the hand maximum upward. Maintain this position for 6 seconds, sustaining the breath. It stretches the posterior muscles. Ardha Tadasana stretches shoulder and stretches spine. Sasank Asana, good for abdomen toning. Mainly, spinal issues can be alleviated with the regular practice of the Sasangasana. Bhujangasana, decrease stiffness of the lower back. Elevate the mood. Tirjak Bhujangasana makes the spine flexible and strong, improve eyesight. It can correct many postural defects of the upper spine. It expands the thorax and improves the lung capacity. Sasank Asana, it is good for our abdomen and mainly spinal issues can be solved. Ardha Tadasana, it stretches the shoulder, stretches the spine. Then Utkatasana, tone the leg muscle excellently. It tones the legs muscles excellently, strengthens hip, ankle, back and stretches the chest and shoulder. Padahastasana makes the body very flexible. It improves digestion and reduces constipation. It helps in eliminate excess belly fat. Tadasana. It improves the function of the respiratory and digestive system. It is good for our health. It strengthens our ankle and knees. Then feel all the positive energy within you. In bow down technique, sufficient oxygen will flow to our brain, which ultimately increase our memory and make us jovial throughout the day. To know more about bow down, please refer to Shiva Sanghita. Sit straight by straightening the spine. Do Khechari Mudra. Roll back your tongue inside. Close your eyes. Keep concentrating on your breath. Take a long and deep breath. Slowly touch your forehead on the ground. Uplift your eyebrows. Keep your concentration on breath. In each breath, remember God, remember Guru. Pray to God, O God, help me, guide me. Take a long and deep breath, then sit straight. There is immense power in silence. Silence speaks a lot. Use earphone to listen this Anahatanada, sound of silence. Sit straight, close your eyes. Just keep concentration on your breath. As much as you concentrate on your breath, you can listen this sound. This sound will change according to your body consciousness. Drinking fresh homemade lemonade as a supplement of vitamin C to enrich our body with essential acids. Don't use sugar. You can add little bit salt for your taste. It will increase your immunity power. Sit and drink. Morning shows the day. If we sleep properly at night, definitely morning will be good. Waking up early morning has a good impact on our body and mind. Start your day with a great smile. Attitude and gratitude make a big difference in life. One must take a handful of sprouted pulses to ensure the proper nourishment of the body with all nutrients. One must avoid consuming packet food which deteriorates our health. 90% of health problem will be solved with proper diet.